Hey, welcome back to your Precision Data Analytics channel this evening. This, of course, is Blue Chip Monday, and this blue chip stock, of course, is one of the oldest of the blue chips. That, of course, is IBM, International Big Machine, or as it's also known on the street, Big Blue. Of course, before we get started, standard disclaimer applies. Do not use anything you see in this video to make financial investment or trading decision. This is being presented simply for educational purposes only. Of course, as always, a big shout out to 100 plus people who watched this video. You know what? If you watched the video, I really appreciate it. It'd be a whole lot to me, to the channel, if you click the like button also. So let's jump into IBM. We might as well start right here with this big move down on January 20th. Gemini AI says this: the dip January 20th, IBM fell 5%. On January 20th, this wasn't company specific. It was broad market sell-off triggered by rising geopolitical tensions, specifically U.S. Denmark tensions over Greenland and renewed tariff threats from the Trump administration. The recovery, January 28th, just a week later, the stock surged over 8% in after-hours trading. And you can see here, right over here, about the 20th probably, everything went negative. We crossed underneath the signal line. The MACD underneath the signal line, histogram bars went negative. What about our forecast? Well, our statistics say that ARIMA is a little better than the other two, but not a whole lot better. Okay. We invested. Here's your cumulative returns. Even with all the turmoil, you can see IBM is still up over 90% since 2024. And of course, if you'd invested $10,000 back here, you would still be up about $8,000 over time. Now, drawdown, let's see. IBM's current drawdown is the most severe of the past 2 years, with the stock plunging approximately 21% from the January peak at 324.9 to a low of 256.6. This sharp decline was triggered by the valuation reset following a massive AI-driven rally, compounded by disappointment growth in the company's consulting segment and broader sector growth. So there you have your right there.